Good morning, research project class. I'm very sorry I'm not there today. I'm at a SACE meeting, hopefully finding out some important information about the research project. So I'm very sorry that we don't get to meet in our first lesson. I've prepared a whole bunch of stuff for you though, so you're going to be busy. Please make sure that you follow these instructions. We're going to be cracking through this, getting it done, and hopefully being really successful. So on Sector, you'll find all of the materials that you need. Everything's preloaded for the semester. It's self-paced. If you want to go ahead, please do. If you need a bit of extra time, let's chat and see what we can arrange. Today you need to collect a few things. The first thing is your yellow outcome preparation checklist. We're going to be working through this over the next few weeks. You'll also need a coloured sheet with the due dates of everything, which I'm going to go through, and you'll need your outcome workbook. So please make sure you have one of those, each in hard copy. Today on Sector, you'll see that we have some learning objectives, and hopefully by the end of this week you'll be feeling confident that you know what an outcome is and what it is that you're meant to be doing. Today I've also got a few things I want you to fill in, so just a little quick check-in. I didn't teach all of you last semester, so I would like to find out a little bit more about what your topic is or what you think you've answered at this point in time. Don't worry, we're not locked into that. You can change your focus as we go along. Hopefully you guys have started a summary table, or at least understand a little bit of what that is, and if you don't, then that's okay as well. We're going to be in all different places. It's just how it rolls. Digital copies of everything you'll need are also here, so please download those and save them into a research project folder. Then you get to witness the magic that is my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It's pretty much just an opportunity for you to access materials as you need them and go back and listen to them. We will go through things in class too, but it's a lot of information. So we'll have some videos that you can watch today, and then also getting you started thinking about your checklist. So have you got a copy of the materials that you need? Have you watched the explanation videos from here? Sorry, it says week 9. I don't know why. I should say week 1. My bad. Having a look to see if you've got your summary table started or worked through. If you don't, please don't panic straight away. We will work that through. Move on to the other task. The way that this little yellow checklist thing works is work your way through. It doesn't have to be done in order. It's useful if you do it in order, but if you need to skip things and come back to them, that's totally fine as well. Pretty much today is a familiarization type day, like all of your other classes will be this week. The other thing that's really important for you to have had a look at is our timeline. Sorry, it's very hard to figure out where the camera is. The timeline tells us what we're going to be submitting each week. We are only allowed one formal draft of the outcome as a Year 12 subject, so we try to embed as many possible opportunities for us to consult and give feedback as possible. This week I would be hoping to see where you're up to with your summary tables or your summary activities that you did last semester. If that sentence strikes fear into your heart, please don't worry, we will have a summary conversation, which will be totally fine as well. We will spend all of Friday going through the outcome, planning, setting it up, thinking about what it is that you want to do, having a look at some examples, and then next week we will start writing, and we will spend the majority of our class time together producing our outcomes. So for some of you that might be writing a report, for some of you it might be creating a dress, for others it might be learning to interpretive dance. It's totally your call. You'll notice that the absolute final draft is week 4 and the absolute final is week 5. So please put those dates in your diary. Do whatever it is that you need to make sure that that's a priority. Please spend this lesson having a look through your checklist, having a look at your dates, watching your videos, getting set up so that Friday we can hit the ground running. Have a good class.